Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to play Block Blast. So stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. After downloading the app, you're going to locate it and open it. Now on this page you have two options. You have Adventure or Classic. For this tutorial we'll be using the Classic. Now for a start, you have 3 building blocks to place on the board. Make sure to use spaces wisely. For example, I'm going to erase this, put it at this corner, and the reason is because I know I will be putting this right here. So if I start with this one, go over here, already I'm having a Block Blast. And then next you'll need to place this on the board. I'm going to place this right here, or I can put it at the very top. Great. Because I put it at the top, I'm going to take the next one and place it right here. And you can see by placing this green block at the top, this has created some space for me to place this block here in order to have a blast. Before leaving it, you can see how this is different from Tetris, as it gives you an idea of what the outcome will be if you place it right there. So for example, if I place it right here, there's nothing that's going to happen. But if I hover over here, you can see the outcome. I will let it happen. Great. So you don't want to put your building blocks on the board without planning your next move. So right now, I know I have this 2 building blocks and I will place it on the board. I'm going to put it here and I'll put this one right here. Then I'm going to raise this one over here. And then I'm going to put this right here. And as you can see, hovering over here, you can see the outcome. But if I place it somewhere else, there will be nothing happening. So we're going to leave it right here. And there we have some more points, and I'm going to place this right here again. And now I'm going to use the red building block, find a place to put it. And as you can see, it's showing what will happen if we place the block there. We're going to have a blast. So playing Block Blast is really about being careful about where to put your building blocks. You're going to hover over different places to see if it's going to have a blast. If it's not going to have a blast, you need to decide the best place to put the existing building blocks in preparation for others that are about to come. I'm going to raise this one over here. And this is because if I put it down here, there will be 2 spaces wasted. If I put it here, it's still fine, so we can leave it right there. And now we have this set of 3 right here. Because I need to think about the next 3 moves, I'm going to move this one and try it over here. Now, without removing it, I can see when I place it right here, there will be 2 more spaces. And great, we have 2 building blocks right here. So I'm going to place this. I'm going to move this one over here. And you guessed it, I will be putting this right here and we'll be having a Block Blast. Great. And following this strategy will help you in earning more points as you play Block Blast. Let us know if this was helpful and hope you have fun with Block Blast, and thanks for watching.